Hello, good night. I go to talk about in a normal day. I always get up 4 in the morning. I check my phone. I check my phone in 4:50 minutes. When it's 4:30 in the morning, I get up. I get up. And always prepared in the artisan free and foods. My family and I have a place where where we wear empanadas, carimañolas, arepas of egg. After that, I take a bath and get dresses. I often arrive in the work in the 8 o'clock in the morning. I am reading promote in the municipal library. I am reading in the municipal library. I work until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. After I work, always spend time with my children. I am mother in the three children. They are my life. At night, always go to bed at 8 at morning. I sleep until next day.